Hi, I'm Arjun Kapoor and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. As Faridun says, keep on watching.
The basic reason as to why the students do not get seats and admissions in IIMs is because Arjun Kapoor did his MBA from IIM A in 2 states, while he did MBA from IIM B in Ki and Ka. This is one of the funny observations that we've received from one of the fans, and we have with us the man himself, Arjun Kapoor. Ki and Ka is doing well at the box office.
Brand ambassador of IIM.
Brand ambassador of IIM. So, and
अगर आप मेरे जैसे बनना
like
चाहते हो,
topper.
अगर आप मेरे जैसे बनना चाहते हो, जरूर जाइए IIM. Yeah, it's actually quite a relevant observation.
Yeah.
जब भी मैं graduate play करता हूँ, पिक्चर चल जाती है तो अच्छी बात है. I should play graduate from IIM more often. 2 states भी चली, ये भी चल गई.
Okay. Now, whenever a movie sees an upward growth as far as Saturday and Sunday is concerned, it's always a good sign. Are you happy with the response so far? Monday and Tuesday, they've been good as well.
I was happy with the first day. For a film like this to do 7.25. अगर आप देखो तो मेरी पिछली पिक्चर बहुत ज़्यादा कमर्शियल थी, तेवर, that did 6.97. This being a so-called the trade and the media perceived it more as a niche, multiplex film. To get 7.3 on the week, on the first day is, for me, it's very important as an actor to know, yes, the audience wants to come and watch me. You know, it's very important in the beginning of your career that you feel that the audience comes to watch you as well along with the film.
Ji.
The first day gave me that belief. The second and the third day is the film, of course, doing better and better because the word of mouth spread. Monday and Tuesday it holds because again the word of mouth is good. So I think it just proves that the audience is the eventual judge and decider of a film. I'm very, very happy with the numbers because it was an underdog film. Genuinely nobody imagined or nobody gave it a shot to pull off what it's pulled off. 25 crore weekend with the final being there on Sunday. And the fact that it's an urban multiplex, certain audience friendly film, not a universal pan India film. I think 25 crore is a very, very good weekend number to start out with. And I think it's the continuing trend of the audience wants to see all kinds of films. अगर आप इस साल में देखो तो Airlift, Neerja, Kapoor and Sons, now Ki and Ka. All very, very unique films. अगर मैं आपको पिछले साल ये 4 पिक्चरों का नाम बोलता कि पहले 4 महीने में ये पिक्चरें चलेंगी और ऐसा बिजनेस करेंगी, आप बोलते यार एयरलिफ्ट 120 करोड़ मारेगी, नीरजा 75, कपूर एंड सन 65, कियन का 25 करोड़ का वीकेंड. You know, nobody would have imagined that. So the audience is definitely giving us a thumbs up and saying you push yourself.
You're happy with the reviews because some of the reviews have been quite positive, some have not been.
Mixed reviews. Part and parcel of life. You always try and learn. Even when you read a review, you try and see objectively what the person is trying to say. I think some people were objective in their opinions, whether positive or negative. There are certain people who have some biases because they had an expectation that Balki should make this kind of a film or that kind of film, which I feel is a little unfair to the film. आप पिक्चर को देखिए और आप ओपिनियन दीजिए ना. आप ये कैसे बोल सकते हैं हमको लगता है इनको ऐसी बनानी चाहिए थी. ये है पिक्चर. थोड़ा सा मुझे वो लगा that they were being a little unfair to the film कि no, it's a film about a serious topic, so he should have dwelled into this space more. But that's the director's choice. He's made it a rom-com. He's made it a frothy film. He's taken a positive, fun Disney kind of take on the film. And eventually the audiences agreed with the director more than the critics.
Absolutely.
Which is fine by me. You know, some films do well beyond the stars given. This is one of those. It's very rare that it happens, but it's good to have that exception to the rule. These kind of films normally need to be nurtured by the critics. If you see a Haider, Kai Poche, Kapoor and Sons, in the last couple of years, they've all been nurtured. After the first day, they've got that big bump. Our first day was good and the weekend got a bump because of the numbers, because of the people that came out to see it.
Absolutely. Now, I think that the real test is Monday, and if a film is holding on to Monday, that means the public appreciation is there. Because I saw, obviously in the press screening at the same time, I saw it I love watching with the people actually, because that is
actually सुर मिलता है
पिक्चर का, correct gauge that whether जिन चीजों पे आप हंसे थे वो वाकई में
मतलब लोग हंस रहे
हैं हंस रहे. So I was quite pleasantly surprised, and the best part is that while I was watching in a cinema hall, there were people behind me, the couples, and वो अपना आपस में उनकी नोकझोंक शुरू हो गई कि मतलब तुमने देखो, तुमने कुछ सीखो.
यार वो
So you know, I was like that. If a movie provokes a debate, then it's something that it's really मतलब that they'll be talking about.
मतलब अगर यहाँ पे कुछ होता है तो फिर पिक्चर करेक्ट सुर पे जा रही है ना.
Right, and even in terms of humor.
Very relatable film also ना.
हाँ, exactly.
सबके घर पे ये कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है या ये नोकझोंक चलती रहती है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
या अपने माँ के साथ हो या अपनी बीवी के साथ हो या बहनों के साथ, ये चलते रहता है हाथ बटाने का. You know, boys always go through that whether they want to but they don't know how to, or they too caught up in their lives. तो बहुत relatable, like you said. मैं गया था उस दिन थिएटर में. It's 70% women who are watching the film. और बहुत रेयर होता है कि औरतें घर से बाहर निकलती है, जो टिपिकल होम मेकर्स हाउसवाइफ्स होती हैं, दे डोंट रियली गेट आउट ऑल द टाइम बिकॉज दे हैव वर्क टू डू एट होम. दे आर कमिंग आउट. आई थिंक द फिल्म हैज डन वेल बिकॉज see 50% of India's population is women.
Right.
I think about, even if we make it extreme, 10% are working. It's not a lot that work.
Right.
That's the numbers that I know basically after doing We the People with Barkhada, that very few women are working in the country still. Majority of them are stay-at-home homemakers, housewives. And they are the ones who are actually loving this film and coming out and supporting it. And that's a very rare audience. वो ऑडियंस सारी पिक्चर देखने नहीं आती, वो साल में 1 या 2 बार आती है.
बिल्कुल. You know, because somewhere I relate to this movie in a very different context because I have a bit of a personal connect to it as well. Because you know, I'll tell you something. There's a bit of a 50-50 key and in my house.
अच्छा, okay.
Because my wife is working as well.
Okay.
So I make her breakfast.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah, and every day. That's been happening for the last, like, say, many years now.
So that's the routine.
I've made like parathas for her. I make rotis and everything for her.
मैं पहले तो आपका हाथ मिलाना चाहूँगा.
So apart
we
from
need
that,
more men like Faridun in the world.
And she makes the dinner most of the time. There are times when I make it as well. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. So that is something that I think it's many people have related to it because of the fact that it's something that you're talking something progressive for women empowerment. And
I think more than that, we're talking about marriages here. You know, it's such a important thing to communicate in a marriage. I'm sure you and your wife spoke about how to divide things. You know, बहुत सारे लोग बात नहीं कर पाते because the man is always busy and the woman.
In our house, it happened rather organically, to be honest.
Because you both were into cooking.
ये नहीं था, मतलब कुछ इसमें planning नहीं हुई. It happened.
तो चलो at least you're an example of आप पूरी तरह कबीर नहीं हो पर कबीर का का तो हो ना.
50%.
तो वो काफी
है. 50% है मतलब.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ 10% भी हो लोगों में तो काफी हो जाएगा.
मैं absolutely. I prepare short meals for her for the day and I give dabbas to her every day.
तो फिर क्या? Then that's what I'm saying. Vote for Faridun.
Okay, now.
जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा फरीदुन का नाम
रहेगा. वो चीज. No, but I'm telling something honestly.
So nice,
and I like the certain portions.
And the thing is, very few men have the ability
to. My mom worked actually. My mom worked, like, she was a professor for 40 years. So I've seen that it's something which is I've seen them growing. So.
But that's so nice that you have the confidence to speak about it with pride. You know, that thought has to come in. You have to be proud about the fact that you provide a helping hand in the house.
The fact is, सबसे जो बेहतरीन बावर्ची रहे हैं वो मर्द होते हैं. So it's like, why can't they? There has been a valid criticism that somehow there has been over hammering of in film advertising. Would you agree with that? That's a universal.
अब देखो उसके दो पहलू है.
It becomes a bit too in the face.
पहली चीज है वो सफोला में काम कर रही है तो वो तो रहेगा ही पिक्चर में.
बहुत, लेकिन दावत भी है, ये भी है, वो भी बहुत.
हाँ नहीं सफोला. See, that one big brand was always there. See, where Vistara is concerned, I think we needed a plane today. How many planes do you have available? Airline provided the name, so the name was there in the airline. I don't see anything wrong with that. अभी अगर हम कोई और कंपनी का नाम लेते तो भी वो बोलते हो, चाहे वो इन फिल्म होता या नहीं.
But you know,
some film, I think some brands are organic. I can understand people feeling that way. But see, he's an ad film director. He's been an ad man. There are a lot of brands that want to affiliate. The film also allowed brands to affiliate. We've tried to keep it as organic. If it's been something that's popped out to people, I as an actor can only learn out of it and be aware of it the next time we do a film like this. But this film really lent itself to the brand. It's not that we had to try. See, in cooking you need rice, you need oil, you need, in those sections you need paste, this, that, वो सब कुछ तो चाहिए ही होता है. I don't know which other brands are there. I can't remember offhand.
बहुत हैं.
I can't remember offhand.
Okay, apart from that, Mr. Bachchan had, I think, Mr. Bachchan and Jaya Ji, I think, had a superb cameo. And the entire portion when he's saying that 4 दिन तक lecture सुनना पड़ेगा तेरी जात का बेटा. I think it's hilarious, and even though the entire body language and the looks that he's giving throughout, I think it's outstanding. Super. And even the discussion that they have, it's the kids, you know, that's the deciding factor. I
met him yesterday. He was very happy with the response. He was so happy the film is doing well. I met him at GMA yesterday. And very nice of both of them to do this role, you know, to play yourselves on screen. Sometimes people are a bit wary to put themselves out there. We get great response whenever I go to see the film. I've seen the film a couple of times in the theatres. There's genuine laughter, there's genuine clapping, there's genuine reaction for that entire section. And I think that's such an important section in the film. वो scene नहीं होता तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं you wouldn't have reached the culmination of the film with that emotion. So they were very, very integral to the plot. I think it's one of the best cameos we've ever seen in India. To use star presence in the correct way. Let's look at it in a balance. Okay, there might be a lot of brands, but the fact is the director still knows how to use a cameo to its advantage also. So, you know, there is something that works with Amit Ji and Jaya Ji being there in the film. So for every downside there is an upside, which doesn't get appreciated enough. The downsides always get written about more than the upsides. Normally cameos are forced. Normally cameos are just to create an impact or an effect. वो गाने में 2 beat नाच के चले जाना, या एक dialogue के लिए passing दे देना. For the first time, a director, I think after a long time, a director has been able to utilize star presence, personality, package it in the correct film, in the correct scene, and still give it a scene that has relevance.
It's relevance, yeah, that's true. As far as performance is concerned, writing is concerned, I think many of the dialogues I think are really outstanding and they're very funny. Some people felt that थोड़ा सा कुछ talky portion थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होता था. That's what.
देखिए 2 लोग हैं पिक्चर में तो बातचीत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी.
The writing was very sprightly. It was something which was very quirky. Whenever anything surprises you, you are interested in that.
Correct.
And yes, especially second time around when you're watching it, now you know it really just starts ringing in, which is very interesting.
Because थोड़ा उल्टा है तो आप 2 बार सुनते हो तो आपको फिर actually it hits you.
Exactly. Something about the writing part of it, your performances. I think both you and Kareena, जिस तरीके से he has spaced it out. Both of you are having like a very strong performances. In the sense, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एक भारी हो रहा है या फिर ये इसको कुछ वो हो रहा है या फिर
I think that came from the writing, which I'm very happy that मैंने जब बात की थी उनसे ये idea को लेकर तभी idea था, he wrote it himself. What I liked about the fact that he's नौकरी की जाती है, घर चलाया जाता है, पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग, you know, हिंदुस्तान में ये concept बहुत होते हैं, तुम लड़की थोड़ी ना घर पे बैठोगे.
Correct.
जैसे वो बहुत ज़रूरी सवाल पूछती है एक इंटरव्यू में, वो the interviewee, she asked me a question, she says आपको embarrassment feel नहीं होती कि आपको आपके वाइफ से पैसे मांगने पड़ते घर चलाने को. एंड ही सेज द मोस्ट लॉजिकल थिंग जो हमने कभी सोचा नहीं है. ही सेज आपको क्या लगता है ऑल दोस हाउसवाइफ्स दैट आस्क देयर हस्बैंड फॉर मनी दे फील एम्बैरेस्ड, दे फील प्राइड.
नहीं, so writing is very
some things which really are so matter of fact but they hit the spot. They're like हमने कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं.
जी बिल्कुल, you can relate to that because somewhere Balki himself he's married to Gauri Shinde and he's been extremely supportive of her.
Correct. I also think he has a different take on life only. अगर आप उनसे बात भी करो तो you'll realize he doesn't think straight like he doesn't think like us. He has that is why he's in the creative profession and his ads are so quirky. His films have always had this. He's different. वो थोड़ा हटके है. As an इंसान also when you interact with him, he's got a different take on life. So his writing also has a different take. And I think the performances have come out of the fact that he gave us both good material to work out of. I can understand people finding the film verbose because it's not very often that you see only 2 people in a film. Normally it's filled with characters, it's laced with a lot of songs. There's, you know, there are many other characters who do the talking also, so you don't find the 2 people talking. Yes, of course, that one aspect is maybe for some audiences कि यार थोड़ा ज़्यादा.
एक ये मैंने कहीं पर किसी रिव्यू मैंने पढ़ा था that Swaroop Sampath and Rajit Kapoor, I think they were outstanding as characters and maybe they could have been slightly more fleshed out. That's I read something.
Then we would have had to make a 2-hour plus film. Then the length would have been a problem. The film works, I also feel, is because it's 2 hours 2 minutes. It flies as a film because आप एक बार देख के बोलोगे यार टाइम पास थी, मजा आया. You know, अगर आप 2 बार जाके देखो तो वो सोने पे सुहागा, बट एक बार देखने के लिए 2 घंटे की पिक्चर से बहुत वैल्यू मिलती है.
बिल्कुल. In fact, there are so many portions and you know, ऐसा लग रहा है कि हर चीज जो है वो उल्टा ही होने वाला है कि अगर तुम 11 बजे से पहले आ गए तो बाहर ही सोना पड़ेगा. You think about it.
He's intentionally
and then happy birthday. And next time around just SMS. I think that's you. Rajit Kapoor was very cute.
I really liked that father's character.
He was extremely.
Balki is a very sweet filmmaker also. He's a very sweet filmmaker. He tries to find a way to make you smile, make you feel positive in a film. He's not trying to make people feel bad that men have not paid attention. You know, he's just trying to make you realize we can. And he always says that the film is a what if. This boy is a superhero. Actually, अगर आप कबीर को देखो, ऐसा कोई इंसान हो नहीं सकता इतना perfect. उसको perfect होने के बावजूद real दिखाया है because when he starts getting the attention तो उसके भी toes जल जाते हैं, ये सब चीजें होती हैं, तो he has been shown to be real as well. He's given me that
and
chance.
He's liking the attention as well.
And he's given me the chance to play that character in a real way rather than making him very caricaturish and you know loud. He made me follow a sur which I really enjoyed playing. एक अलग सुर है पिक्चर का. अगर आप मेरी परफॉर्मेंस भी देखो, आवाज को लेके, बॉडी लैंग्वेज को लेके, एक सॉफ्टनेस रखी है, एक मेलोनेस रखी है आईज में. And he used to be very aware of that. He used to say, no, I want you to play it in a way where people want to meet you. Their heart should go out to, they should feel, अरे यार ऐसा कोई लड़का मिल जाए तो क्या बात. And that is what is happening in the audience. They're actually meeting Kabir in the theater and saying, यार I wish we found a boy like this for our daughter. I wish we knew a boy like this. So you can't find Kabir because he has too many beautiful qualities. Men are flawed, women are also flawed. But certain aspects definitely from Kabir people can learn out of it.
No, I think even he has been shown to be flawed. He gets jealous. He gets all sorts of those traits are there.
But he's
which makes it real.
still a little unbelievable. अगर मैं आपको ऐसा सुना दूं कि ऐसा कोई बंदा है, आप थोड़ा बोलोगे नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं बिल्कुल सही बात.
कुछ झोल है उसमें.
नहीं बिल्कुल सही बात है.
But to make him believable and to make people feel connected to him, I think that is the genius of the director.
Arjun, we've taken a few questions from your
Not
fans.
from Parineeti Chopra, I hope. After what she has said today.
We'll have to take it. We are मतलब
अच्छा चल.
थोड़ा सा मतलब
कोशिश करते हैं.
बिकॉज मुझे भी मतलब ये है कि बच के चलना पड़ता है.
नहीं परिणीति का पूछ लो सवाल.
पूछ सकते हैं. तो क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम अर्जुन कपूर फ्रॉम हिज फैंस. दिस इज परिणीति चोपड़ा फ्रॉम अंबाला.
देखो फैन है मेरी जबरा फैन है. देखो ना.
आस्क हिम why he is so arrogant and misbehaved.
नहीं वो मेरी शक्ल ऐसी है परिणीति. और तुम मेरे साथ एक पिक्चर कर चुकी, तुम्हें पता है कि मैं स्माइल कम करता हूँ तो लोगों को लगता है मैं दुनिया से खफा और गुस्सा हूँ हमेशा. और मेरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज और टोन से लोगों को लगता है अच्छा ये तो बिगड़े मतलब अमीर बाप का बिगड़ा हुआ बेटा है. बिकॉज आई कीप टू माई सेल्फ, तो लोग बोलते हैं एरोगेंट हूँ. मैं शुरू में जब आया था इंडस्ट्री में, मैं हाई जाके लोगों को नहीं बोलता था बिकॉज मुझे लगता था कौन पहचानेगा मुझे, कौन जानता होगा मुझे. तो उस वजह से भी एक डेवलपमेंट हुई. मीडिया में कुछ लोग ने सोचा मेरा ह्यूमर नहीं समझ पाए, मैं सार्कास्टिक भी हूँ. तो लोगों को व्यंग ज्यादा समझ में नहीं आता हिंदुस्तान में, तो बोलते थे अच्छा ये तो देखो कितनी ऊट पटांग चीजें बोलते हैं. धीरे धीरे अब वो मिथ ब्रेक हुई है मेरी. मैं नहीं हूँ, मिसबिहेव नहीं करता हूँ, मैं रूड नहीं हूँ. आपने मेरे साथ इंटरव्यू काफी किया फरीद, यू कैन डिफेंड मी टू परिणीति एंड द पीपल. मिसकंसेप्शन मेरी.
आपने रिप्लाई किया उनको? आपने यू डिड
मैंने रिप्लाई उसको कल ही एक फोटो, मैंने उसकी फोटो देखी आइसक्रीम खाते हुए, उसने कोई नया ब्रांड साइन किया है. तो मैंने उसे वही बोला तुम्हें कल इतनी अच्छी एडवाइस दी, मैंने फोन पे बात की थी उससे, तो तुम चुपचाप बैठ के आइसक्रीम खाओ और मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत करो, इंटरव्यू करने दो. तो क्या बोलूं उसे.
एंड शी इज सेइंग दैट बाबा यू आर माय करता था.
बट आई एम करता था. आज वो जो कुछ भी मेरी वजह से. मैंने उसे इश्क ज़्यादा थी.
We were just talking about that you faced a bit of a trolling recently. What is your opinion about this entire trolling, the way stars are subjected to at times? Do you feel that it can be disheartening and too much at times, this entire?
यार मुझे तो जिंदगी भर ट्रोलिंग मिली है, तो I'm quite used to it. It doesn't have to be Twitter, you know. I've all my life been kind of the way I looked led to a lot of people having a say on it when I was fat. So from a very young age I've dealt with it, being bullied, being treated differently, being said things that are rude. When your parents separate also, you know, in school and you read things, you meet people. So I've faced it from a very young age, so I'm immune to it. But obviously some people do get affected. I'm not one of those because I've seen far worse in my life. तो मतलब जो मैं जिससे गुजरा हूँ, जो मुझ पे बीती है, तुम क्या समझ पाओगे. तो even if you're saying things, I take it with a pinch of salt. That you'll never know my story. I don't want your sympathy, but I cannot explain why I am the way I am or what I'm going through or what it is, you know. I'm also a human being. A lot of people, I just find sometimes, you know, a lot of people get affected because they aren't used to it. From a young age been used to the trolling. It might have not been on Twitter, but I've been used to people creating a ruckus. The one thing I do hope people, the guys who troll also understand, see, that is their job. They get a high and a kick out of it. It's very easy to sit behind a keyboard anonymously and type these things. If you need to have the ability to understand that person. आप सोचो ना, अगर आपके बिल्डिंग के नीचे जाके कुछ ऐसा लिख दे कोई आपके बारे में, तो आप बिल्डिंग में मुंह नहीं दिखा पाओगे.
सही बात है.
Just put that into perspective. If I had written something about your family members in your building का notice board and left it, और आते जाते सब देख रहे हैं, how embarrassed would you feel? And you can't remove it.
Absolutely.
You would feel, so that's why people, it's not about themselves, it's about what your family deals with, what they have to go through. And they also sometimes hit below the belt when they're trolling.
Absolutely.
See, this IIM jokes and the fact that I'm 12th fail and all, मैंने खुद बोला मैं 12th fail हूँ, तो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पर 12th fail होने के बाद मैंने कुछ जिंदगी में हासिल किया है.
बिल्कुल.
तो I don't mind the jokes. But when it goes into the personalized space of your family and all, then you feel अरे यार नहीं करना चाहिए. So I don't mind the trolling. Absolutely. If it's in fun and jest. The one thing I would like to say about the trolling before this is the fact that, see, what Anushka went through is very unfair. That is a nonsensical way of going about it.
That's really bad.
Passing
many
lewd comments about a woman who has nothing to do with what is happening realistically. She's just a girl who was supporting the person she was with. And you cannot go down that road.
I've seen very well-meaning people doing that as well. I was quite surprised and shocked.
Yeah,
I've seen in the sense people I've known
cool.
and
that's not cool.
Within the media as well, I've seen
which cracking a joke or two about the way we do a film or our character or the way we are dressed or all that you can take with a pinch of salt because वो आज याद रहेगा कल भूल जाओगे. But to create this ruckus that becomes something that trends on Twitter.
No, that's too much. That's too much.
And that's very unfair. I feel that. And I know even my sister has been through it. Sonam has also been through a lot of that.
That's true.
I feel sometimes they do get carried away when it comes to things that are not correlated. It's very unfair on what they did to Anushka, and I'm glad that that statement came from Virat.
That's true. I think it was really wonderful of him to say what he said. You want to say
the
that?
question you were asking. फिर से पूछो.
Sanj from Bangalore, in real life, would he enjoy being a house hubby as his role in Key and Ka, and why or why not?
यार मैं खाना नहीं बना सकता आपकी तरह फरीद हूँ, तो मैं अटक जाऊंगा. पहली बात तो मैं किचन बर्बाद कर दूंगा.
But you seem like a pro actually in the movie.
यानी कि मैं अच्छा एक्टर हूँ.
आप अच्छे एक्टर तो डेफिनेटली आप पहली फिल्म से अच्छे एक्टर हैं.
थैंक यू.
पहली फिल्म आपकी जो मतलब वो जो वरुण धवन के साथ में आपने बनाई थी.
अच्छा वो वाले की बात, क्या बात है. थैंक यू. ये क्यों बताना जरूरी है लोगों को कि व्हाइट माउंटेन अभी भी अवेलेबल है YouTube.
हर इंटरव्यू में याद दिलाता हूँ. नहीं, आई थिंक इट वाज प्रीटी गुड. परफॉर्मेंस के लेवल पे अगर बात की जाए,
मैं हाउस हस्बैंड डेफिनेटली नहीं बन पाऊंगा उस तरह का जिस तरह कबीर है, बट मैं हाथ बढ़ा सकता हूँ, शायद छोटी छोटी चीजें कर सकता हूँ. मैं अपने घर का ख्याल नहीं रख पाता ठीक से, तो जरूरी ये नहीं है कि मैं हाउस हस्बैंड बन के करूँ. आई कैन प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट एंड आई कैन बी देयर इन व्हाटएवर कैपेसिटी.
एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे एक सवाल है अर्जुन कपूर.
इंटरनेशनल लेवल
पे सवाल है कि
क्या वर्ल्ड पीस आ जाएगा.
क्या अर्जुन कपूर को अब ये पता है कि आलू एक किलो प्राइस क्या है? ये
मुझे
तो बॉम्बे टाइम्स में भी करीना कपूर ने इंफॉर्मेशन लीक कर दी.
आपके इंटरव्यू की वजह से उसके बाद जहां जहां हम गए हैं ना, करीना ने वो लाइन यूज की है कि इसको तो आलू के दाम नहीं पता. तो शी हैज रूइंड माय रेपुटेशन कंप्लीटली व्हेन इट कम्स टू बीइंग अ होम मेकर. बट आई गॉट सम अदर बिट्स राइट. दूध और पानी और वो सब चीजों का. बट नहीं, बाकी क्विजेस भी लोगों ने आपकी तरह बहुत क्विज किए. यू स्टार्टेड दिस ट्रेंड वेयर एवरीवेयर वी वेंट ना, दे वर टेस्टिंग कि मुझे घर के बारे में पता है.
अच्छा, दे डिड
एंड आई पास्ड इन मोस्ट ऑफ देम.
राइट.
पर आलू का भाव क्या है यार, मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे नहीं पता, सॉरी, माफ कर दीजिए.
ओके, दिस इज साक्षी फ्रॉम मुंबई. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द मूवी एज एन ऑडियंस?
यार मैंने देखी नहीं पिक्चर एक्चुअली. आई हैव नॉट सीन कियन का येट. इट वाज अ सुपरस्टिशन टशन दिस टाइम. आई सेड हर बार देख लेता हूं.
अच्छा, यू हैव नॉट सीन द फिल्म?
मैंने देखी नहीं पिक्चर अभी तक.
मतलब एट वन गो यू हैव नॉट सीन इट?
मैंने 2 सीन डब किए थे, जो प्लेन वाले सीन्स थे.
हां.
और एक वो सेगवे पे इंटरवल वाला जो मैं चला रहा हूँ और सोच रहा हूँ काम करूँ नहीं करूँ, काम करूँ नहीं करूँ, काम करूँ नहीं करूँ, वो डब करना पड़ा था बिकॉज सेगवे की आवाज़ बहुत थी.
Correct.
और प्लेन की आवाज़ बहुत थी, तो दोनों प्लेन के सीन डब किए. मैंने वही 3 सीन देखे.
बट व्हाई हैव यू सीन द फिल्म येट?
बस इस बार मैंने फैसला किया क्योंकि यार जो उन्होंने लिखी है वही बना दी.
सुपरस्टिशन.
हाँ, बट जो लिखी है वही बनी है. उतना ही लिखा था, उतना ही. 90 पेज की स्क्रिप्ट थी, 2 घंटे की पिक्चर बनी है. बस हाई हील ऐड किया था हमने एंड में, रोलिंग टाइटल में गाना ऐड कर दिया. तो मुझे पता था क्या बनी है. करते वक्त मजा आ गया था. तो आई न्यू कि यार मुझे पता था बुरी पिक्चर नहीं है. आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर कि यार ये कॉन्सेप्ट जेन्युइनली कनेक्ट करेगा बिकॉज एनीबडी हु हैज लव फॉर द ऑपोजिट सेक्स, वेदर इट्स योर मदर, वेदर इट्स योर सिस्टर, वेदर इट्स योर वाइफ, एंड द विमेन तो विल लाइक दिस फिल्म डेफिनेटली. तो यू नो आई वाज वेरी क्लियर कि कनेक्शन आएगा. कितना आएगा वो मुझे नहीं पता था, वो पता लग गया.
या वो तो खैर
टशन पे नहीं देखी थी एक्चुअली, सच कहूं तो. मैंने बाकी जैसे मैंने 2 स्टेट्स अकेले बैठ के देखी थी.
अच्छा.
मैंने गुंडे अकेले मतलब विद द को एक्टर्स, खाली थिएटर में. इशक ज़ादे, यश जी और पैम आंटी देख रहे थे, मैंने और परिणीति ने पीछे बैठ के देखी.
ड्यूरिंग ऑल दी स्क्रीनिंग्स दैट यू ऑर्गेनाइज विद
मैं बाहर बैठा था. मैंने अमित जी का सीन एक आध बार जाके देखा था.
ओके.
सेकंड हाफ का जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का थोड़ा पोर्शंस देखे थे. फर्स्ट हाफ में मैंने बिगनिंग के 1-2 सीन्स देख लिए थे. कभी झांक के देख लो क्या हो रहा है, रिएक्शन आ रहा है कि नहीं. मेड वाला सीन एक आध बार देखा था. वो मेरा वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट सीन्स इज द सीन विद द मेड. मुझे करते वक्त भी बहुत मजा आया था बिकॉज यू नो इतना अजीब सीन है. कभी देखा नहीं एक आदमी एक मेड को झाड़ रहा है कि मेरा बिस्तर क्यों यूज किया. इट्स जस्ट अ ऑफ सीन.
You know, everything is ulta about the movie. That in the sense कि instead of just reprimanding her, he is telling that अगली बार पैसे देना पड़ेगा.
अगली बार तुम्हारी सैलरी नौकरी से नहीं निकालूंगा, तुम्हारे पैसे रख लूंगा.
और चादर चेंज किया. Okay, this is interesting. Bhumi from Delhi. I don't know what exactly she means. Who wouldn't you mind being shipped together with? Shipped. I don't know. Rumors started.
कहाँ जाने वाले, कहाँ मतलब?
Maybe I think she is referring that आप किनके साथ में link up शायद होना आप.
यार मेरे काफी लिंकअप्स नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
काफी आते रहते हैं.
हाँ, मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
और करीना के अकॉर्डिंग दैट शी सेड इन द इंटरव्यू दैट शी वुड लाइक टू हैव योर मोबाइल टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. ऐसा मैं बहुत स्वीट, सिंपल, इनोसेंट टाइप का हूँ. ये मेरी रेपुटेशन बर्बाद की गई है. तो मैं किसी के साथ लिंकअप नहीं होना चाहता. यार जिस आदमी ने कटरीना कैफ से राखी बंधवा ली, वो क्यों लिंकअप जाएगा किसी और से? सोचिए जरा. मैं बहुत स्वीट, सिंपल टाइप का.
काफी रूमर्स आती रहती हैं. कर वी वोंट गो इनटू दैट. This is Kavish from South Africa. Where do you see Key and Ka's marriage heading? Do you think that they would have had kids eventually?
Yeah, they would have had kids. She would have calmed down and said, now I want to, because eventually I think for to continue you need to think about the future and the child would be inevitable. मुझे लगता है he would continue taking care of the child and she would have gone back to work immediately. That is what would have happened.
Now, what is your opinion? These days we are observing many a time celebrity marriages or relationships, they are having issues. But even apart from that, if you just interact with youngsters these days, many of them
like विश्वास उठ गया ना.
Exactly. I've spoken to quite a few of them and they are like that. They are.
मैं भी उनमें से एक हूँ जो ज़्यादा ये सोच विचार नहीं मानता कि शादी ज़रूरी है.
जबकि पहले ऐसा नहीं था. पहले एक it was a given that one will get married at a certain.
अब मुझे लगता है if you are ready to have kids, you should get married. मुझे ये लगता है. That is तब तक you should hold out because then you still have a chance to walk away if you're not ready to bring in another life into this world. A lot of people get married जल्दबाजी में, then they to make the marriage work they have a child. This is my feeling. See, nobody has to agree with me. This is what my take back is.
Correct.
I have nothing against marriage. I'm not ready for it definitely because I'm very young and I feel whenever I choose to get married, it will be the primary reason between me and her would be that we want to have a child.
Achha.
Otherwise, I'm very, very okay with a live-in relationship because I think that doesn't put that pressure of marriage on you. The problem is not that word marriage puts that pressure of अच्छा भी 20 फंक्शन होंगे, फैमिलीज आएंगी, सबको पसंद आएगा कि नहीं लड़का या लड़की, क्या कुछ बोलेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, किसको इनवाइट करना नहीं करना. पहली बात तो शादी में ही प्रेशर इतना आता है कि शादी का मन नहीं करता. उसके बाद क्या फैमिली का प्रेशर अच्छा निभाना पड़ेगा किसी ना किसी तरीके से. Sometimes you get married to a person, you have to live, the girl has to live in that house.
जी जी.
अब वो निभाना कितना आसान कितना मुश्किल है वो नहीं पता. तो lot of people are saying why should we get suffocated यार. तू तेरा कर मैं मेरा करता हूँ. We are in a relationship, वो काफी है. Why get into this घर गृहस्थी, रात को जल्दी आना, यहाँ नहीं जाना, ऐसे कपड़े मत पहनो. Why get into restrictions when you're married? Then these superficial restrictions do come in. So I think the youngsters have realized they're okay doing their own thing. And I have to agree with them. It's better to be in a failed relationship than a failed marriage, obviously. You rather take that chance. You can.
Okay, is it stemming from the fact that you've seen it from close quarters in your home as well? Does
I always give the benefit of the doubt to love. See, when you love somebody, you can go to any extent. So I do not feel it's only because of that. But I definitely have.
We saw hints of that in Key and Ka as well. The way you are just remembering your mother. We saw that.
Yeah, well,
you become a different person whenever you're doing that.
Yeah, but I don't think that has anything. I mean, she would want me to get married. My father is dying for me to get married, I'm sure. He would like to see a companion in my life.
Right.
And so would the rest of my family. And it's not that I'm not going to get married. I just don't feel it's important right now for me to think, because I'm 30, I should be thinking about marriage. I would rather wait, work on a relationship, build it, and then think about marriage.
Correct.
It's not कि अरे अभी शादी करनी है तो girlfriend ढूंढ लो. It's about girlfriend चाहिए because you want a companion. I have nothing against marriage. Don't get me wrong. I just feel.
No, I'm not getting you wrong.
No, I just feel a lot of people will say अच्छा इसको शादी में interest नहीं है. It's not that. I feel that should be a step taken when you guys are fully ready. A lot of people jump the gun. That is why now the youth is realizing यार अभी 24-25 में शादी करके फायदा नहीं. Let's wait it out. You can get married. Even girls now can get married 27-28. पहले क्या होता था? अरे 23 की हो गई शादी नहीं हुई.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Actually, I'm just remembering something.
What?
During many of the interviews with Shahid Kapoor, I used to tell him that life में settle जाना मांगता है. And he was like, नहीं यार ये है वो है love and everything. So I still remember we were doing this interview with Shahid driving a car and Priyanka was sitting next to that Kunal Kohli film. So I once again told him that I think मतलब क्या आपका feeling है that बोले क्या फायदा क्या होगा शादी का. मैंने कहा देखिए आप there's someone to go to in the night. So जो भी है.
So definitely there's a lot of
Priyanka she got onto another level altogether. And in terms of like someone go back to in the night and all that stuff. So it was like a really funny situation. But eventually he did, and he seemed to be quite happy.
I think he chose the correct time when he was ready. I think he's in a very good space to get married also.
Exactly.
I think Teri Meri Kahani was five years back, if I'm not mistaken. 5 years back.
Correct.
Different mind space.
Bilkul.
And I think it's amazing to have a companion. See, to go and be silent in a room with somebody, you need that comfort. I'm not saying it's only about the talking. Sometimes you just need somebody that you can enjoy the silences with.
Bilkul.
When you don't need to make conversation to be connected, you can just be connected by even staring at a TV or reading a book. There is just still there's a feeling where you're comfortable. You feel home. You feel like you're home.
परिणीति चोपड़ा आपको देखना चाहिए. He is not arrogant, misbehaved. These are like मतलब ऐसी आपको बातें आजकल कहाँ सुनने को मिलती है. गहराई की बातें कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा है. किसी ने तो मेरे जज्बातों को समझा. सारी दुनिया आप भी हो जो समझ सकते हो मुझे.
नहीं, I think there's a difference to your personality that I think a lot of people they still don't know.
Yeah.
Sakshi from Chandigarh. She says you are mental Zadi. Hope you remember me. Who's your inspiration? Your idol?
I have to say Anil Kapoor. Even yesterday I met him. You know, they made me take photos with him, and I always don't like to do that because he always looks better than we can ever look.
He's outstanding.
His energy level, his excitement. I was sitting in the van for 5 minutes and I got charged. You know, he's standing, moving around, talking, and the passion towards work. वो एक शिद्दत होती है ना कि मुझे 100% देना है हर रोज.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
To sustain for so long, yeah. When did he start? He started in the 70s,
even before the
late 70s. Yeah.
Before the interview, even like when he is
getting
the
charged,
makeup and you know, he's totally erect.
Yeah.
He's the
fully
minutest of things has to be sorted. Like,
yeah,
and
he's
it's like
fully in the zone. I think not only as an actor, see, his choices of cinema has been unbelievable.
That's true.
Great range, longevity, the way he's performed, looked, worked with all kinds of people, all kinds of genres, all that one side. But as a person, I think that is something that I look up to. Because as a person, he's still so warm. He's still so friendly. He's still so full of life. He's still got that energy.
He's hugely inspiring. इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. It's
So,
like if you want to.
And like I've grown up with him for so many years that you know he's embedded in my system. So I want to remain that passionate. I might not have the same personality, maybe a bit laid back in comparison, but I still have the same passion as him, and that's come I think by watching him work. Not only watching him as an actor, but watching him as a person.
बिल्कुल, absolutely. Sushmita from Bangladesh, 3 things you can't live without.
My sister, my work, and cinema.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Ishita, she's not given where from. How happy are you after Key and Ka's success?
I'm very, very happy. Who doesn't like to be success? Who doesn't like a hit film? Suddenly, from being a guy who was on the periphery and the edges, suddenly you feel this sense and emotion that people suddenly now consider you again part of the positivity of the film industry. You know? It's always nice. Yeah. It feels nice to be validated by the audience. कि जो आप स्क्रिप्ट सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, आप घर पे बैठ के आपको 10-15 ऑफर्स आते हैं साल के जो अच्छे होते हैं.
Correct.
You select 1 or 2. It's very important that they are correct. And when the audience watches your film, you know कि अच्छा आपकी स्क्रिप्ट सिलेक्शन सही जा रही है. After Tevar, it was important for me to do a film where the material worked with the audience. Performance is secondary. That automatically happens when a film does well, like what has happened with Key and Ka. I needed to feel that confidence again of selecting films on my impulse and instinct, not getting influenced by अरे नहीं चल रही यार, you know मुझे किसी की advice लेनी चाहिए. You have to follow yourself because you have to enjoy the journey of doing a film. So I'm very happy the film has done well.
Film coming after more than a year now, almost 13-14 months.
Yeah, I'll have मतलब you're saying after Tevar. हाँ, 14 महीने wait करना पड़ा to see the मेरे final exam 14 महीने चले. To get the result was after 14 months almost. But yeah, I'm very happy. And I'm very happy with the feedback also. I've not got so much appreciation for a performance before. I've got appreciation for films. I was not on Twitter that time, but 2 States and Ishak Zadeh, I've got love for the film as well as my performance. Here, the performance love has been unbelievable. It's the greatest reaction I've got for a performance.
No, I think your performance is definitely very, very interesting.
Thank you.
This is Zanjari from Jalna, Maharashtra. What's the quality?
Zanjari.
Zanjari from Jalna, Maharashtra. What's the quality you want to adopt about Kabir? या कबीर से मेरे आप कौन सी क्वालिटी आप लेना चाहते हैं?
यार पेशेंस. उस बंदे में कुछ अलग लेवल का पेशेंस है. मैंने जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, मैंने जाके पूछा था बाल्की से, मैंने जब स्क्रिप्ट सुनी थी, वो घर पे आए थे नरेट करने
जी,
तो मैंने कहा यार हॉस्पिटल में वो कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. हद होती है ना एक इंसान की, कहीं ना कहीं तो पार कर जाएगा यार. एक बार में तो फटेगा कि चुप हो जा, बहुत हो गया, क्या बकवास कर रही हो, जस्ट काम डाउन.
जी.
ही सेड नहीं, मैं उसे, वो संत कबीर है, वो जेन्युइनली इज लाइक अ सेंट. That is why she loves him and that is why he is such a unique person because he doesn't react. और बहुत लोग खफा भी है कि कबीर क्यों नहीं रिएक्ट करता, ये लड़की बस चिल्लाए जा रही है उस पे, 2-3 जगह पे होता है. I feel that is a very patient person. And I would like to be as patient as that sometimes. बहुत ज़रूरी element है to be successful in life and to have a successful relationship. You need patience.
बिल्कुल. Your chemistry with its chemistry is like a very to use word actually, but still
the comfort
with Kareena. Yeah, I think it's coming across very naturally. It doesn't do always. Somewhere it's seeming very organic, which I think is always a very, very positive sign. कहीं ना कहीं एक दोस्त आप लोग लगते हैं पहले.
वही है. Actually, it is the friendship and the banter that we have off camera. You saw us in the interview.
जी बिल्कुल.
You saw the nonsense that we do. This film needed that. It needed that comfort and it didn't need the discovery of new people. This film needed that calmness and that relaxedness of 2 friends just having fun in the front of the camera. I think that went in the right direction, the casting. It's purely, I think if there was anybody else who I was not so close to as a friend, like Kareena and me talk almost every day, in the sense we are in touch all the time.
बिल्कुल.
So that comfort is यार ये तो Kareena है. You're not thinking ये कि you know Kareena Kapoor है.
Absolutely.
That is what made the big difference.
You feel it's one of her best performances?
Yeah, definitely. She's done a Chameli, she's done an
hospital scene,
Omkara.
like the hospital scene, the way she just...
Every scene, yes.
बहुत scenes.
In a scene where you're not doing anything to be so lovable is also
even when she's getting jealous and all.
Yeah, is the dialogues are not always the, like for me the most reaction I got is in the hospital scene when she's firing me. My reactions people have reacted to.
The vulnerability.
Yeah. So and with her also when her changeover is happening in the second half, she's a fine actor. I mean, Jab We Met, Omkara, Chameli, K3G, all different kinds of roles she's done, and she's been superb in all. Qurban. After a long time to see her grabbing onto material that is to bite into, you know, कि acting दिखे कुछ दिनों बाद. I think एक बार एक तो को 4 साल हो गए. उसके बाद she's chosen to do a role which is got meat.
She also did that Punit Malhotra film as well.
Gori Tere. But that was a rom-com at the end of the day. You know, this one had range of that, like you said, the turnover in the end.
Correct.
It's a very difficult turn to show, yeah, to still make her human, the girl. Varna people can say, what a bitch. I don't know if you can use that word. Or,
no, we can use it. We are not
so a lot of people can turn around and say, what a bitch. But in the end, when she cries with the mother, you still, yeah,
vulnerability is
you realize, अरे मैं भी उसकी जगह होती तो मैं भी शायद ऐसे react करती.
It's very human. It's very human.
And that comes from an actor.
This is Tanvi from Toronto. How do you imagine your partner to be, and what kind of husband do you think you'd be?
Well, I definitely can't be Kabir. But I think I'd be a fairly good husband. You live and learn, so it's unfair for me to comment. But I don't have a type of girl. There are 1 or 2 small expectations that I have is because the profession is very demanding time-wise. I would just hope my partner understands that aspect of the profession, because you know how the profession is here. I can make a commitment कि 7 बजे खत्म करके घर आ जाऊंगा, वो 9:30-10 बज सकते हैं इस profession में, because your time is not your own. Like right now, my time belongs to Bollywood Hangama because it's being used. We are doing an interview. तो अगर मुझे कहीं जाना है, ये खत्म करके जा सकता हूँ मैं, बीच में उठ के नहीं जा सकता.
बिल्कुल.
That aspect will never change in my life. You'll have to share me with the world to that extent, and that can't come in the way of the relationship.
बिल्कुल, absolutely.
But barring that, I think I'm open to any person that comes with love in my life.
This is Ruvini from Australia.
How nice.
Is there a particular director you wish to work with?
अरे यार बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है. फिर 1-2 भूल जाऊंगा तो मुझे बुरा लगेगा. बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है यार. But हाल ही में I gave this answer. I think I'm trying to work with Farhan as a director. You know,
Farhan Akhtar.
Because Dil Chahta Hai was a game changer in Indian cinema. I want to work with the man that changed writing in India. He truly made scenes conversational. Like Farhan, Imtiaz Ali, the way he writes his scenes. Who else? I would want to work with Karan, Adi, Sanjay Bansali, all because it's just the scale, the beauty, the cinematic approach that they have towards Hindi films. Who else? There's Sujit Da. I mean, I love Madras Cafe, Piku and Vicky Donor. And for a director to have that range, very few directors experiment like that. He's amazing.
Bilkul.
Anand Rai, consistently delivering such grounded,
very good writing.
Films.
He's
got a again with Himanshu, the writing, that the combination that he has.
Sharma, yeah.
Zoya. You know, there's so many. I mean, there are very fine directors. For me, Abhishek Varman, I would love to work with him again. I loved working with him in 2 states.
Correct.
I consider him such a good director. Who else? I mean, I wanted to work with Balki. I got a chance.
Shakun Batra. I think.
Shakun Batra.
He has already used your name.
मेरा नाम इस्तेमाल कर लिया. अब मैं बाकी.
कर चुके हैं आप.
So I think he should cast me in a film and name me Siddharth Malhotra. I think that is left.
One thing interesting about Shuji Sarkar is that he says that it's like a hobby for him. Football is his first love. Which I find very interesting actually.
जो भी हो, मुझे उनकी हॉबी का हिस्सा बनना है, ठीक है?
But he's genuinely about that, and he gives credit to Juhi Chaturvedi and the writers and everyone, which is wonderful. In fact, you've interacted with Sulaiman many a times,
yes.
And I think he's got a wonderful mind as far as movie is concerned. He always prefers to remain behind the scenes.
But that's good. I think I'm assuming all you guys together as a team have been able to create a website that is...
He started it.
There is no
He started it 18 years back. Yeah. He started it.
What I love about the website is it's about people who love cinema talking about cinema. It is not about the riffraff and the peripheral stuff. It's not speculative and gossip.
Yeah, gossip is something that I personally always try to...
And it's always that even if it is information that is 50-50 where you think it's speculation, there's always a statement of the people involved.
Exactly.
You know, there's never...
We'd rather not carry it.
There's never only ऐसा सुना है, ऐसा देखा है, which I really appreciate, and I hope a lot of more websites continue working the way you guys are. That should be the benchmark. That is why it's fun to interact, because you know you will not be misquoted or misrepresented by the people involved. That is very, very important, and for longevity of 18 years.
That's true. In fact, because many a time that it's easy to get the hits by putting up a lot of trash. Yeah, it's very easy to do that. It's the most easiest thing to do.
But to last 18 years, you need to be
exactly.
You need to be fair and honest.
Exactly. That is something that's the most important thing.
Which is very good. I hope that continues with Bollywood.
I hope so as well. I hope so as well. It's getting too much sensationalism these days, but I hope that innate aspect
that makes
always,
Bollywood Hungama unique. I hope that continues.
That's true. That's true. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best. Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.